The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Seriousskilla. Now there's a video that is out on social media that shows off an attempted robbery that turned into a hostage situation at a Supreme Venture outlet, otherwise known as Cashpot or lottery outlet. It is also said that this Supreme Venture outlet is connected to a bar. This incident said to have happened on Molynez Road, that would be the corner of Molynez Road and Seaward Drive in St Andrew Jamaica. This incident said to have happened sometime after 8 p.m. on Monday the 9th of September 2019. It is said that the hostage situation lasted over an hour and the Jamaica Constabulary Force also got assistance from the Jamaica Defense Force. It is also reported that the hostage situation came to a peaceful end when two armed gunmen surrendered. Now viewers and subscribers, I'm about to show you the video so that you can have a better understanding, and in this video you will hear a member of the police force asking the gunmen to surrender. Now remember that this video is an attempt robbery that turned into an hostage situation, so viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Persons that are in the Cashpot place, this is Senior Superintendent Robinson, year 4. You know what I said, Senior Superintendent, the rank. So I'm asking you to just consider that by this time we have a lot of policemen outside here. But remember that the Jamaica Constabulary Force is a professional organization. It is said that you committed yourself, but I'm going to ask you to step outside. I will guarantee that you will be able to speak to an attorney to properly defend yourself when it comes to the courts. As long as I'm here, you have nothing to fear. The JSF is a professional body. I'm going to ask you to put your hands on top of your head and step out slowly. Put your hands on top of your head and step out slowly. The longer you wait, the more police persons are going to arrive and it will be very difficult. So I'm going to ask you to take my word. I'm going to ask you to step outside so that we can resolve this matter quickly. Once again, I've identified myself to you, Senior Superintendent Robinson. I'm going to ask you to step outside so that you can be taken to the station and questioned about the allegations that will be made against you.